Hello, my name is Eric Weber at Black Brothers Company. I'm here to talk about how we manufacture, design new rolls, and how we can refurbish your old rolls.
Well, we design them here, we build them here, we grind them here. We use them in a laboratory environment to make sure they do what they're made to do, and have a customer come in and evaluate it and try to make them happy.
All our custom rolls start out here in our roll cell. This is where the cores come in and we turn it down and we cap and shaft it as well. These are all custom built rolls that are engineered to spec here in this cell.
The pipe comes in and gets cut to length, and then from there, pipe is never round. It's always out around. So the first thing I do is put it in and machine truing circles, is what they call them, those strips on there. That's to make the pipe round, so I have a surface to hold on to so it spins true in the lathe, and then I go ahead and machine it from there.
What I got here next to me today is a used roll where we will inspect the rubber, the grooving, all the way down to the metal work. From the shaft to the flange, we do a 24-point inspection on each roll that comes into Black Brothers to refurbish as new.
We can redo the rolls, we can recover them, we can regrind them, we can strip them, and we can also do metal work. So we can reflange the rolls, we can weld up journals if they get too small, turn them down and get them up to Black Brothers specs so that they work the best they can in their machine.
Once the rolls go through our 24-point inspection, they get sent down here to our stripper lathe, where we restrip all that rubber down to the steel core. And this is where Black Brothers really stands out, in that we do all the metal work here in-house on this equipment.
If I'm running the stripper lathe, I get the used rolls out, put them in, strip them, take all the rubber off, sand them down, inspect them. If they need shaft work, you do the shaft work, you weld the shafts, grind the shafts down, whatever you need. Put new flanges on, weld the new flanges, turn them down to size, bond paint them, send them to the rubber builder.
What I got behind me here today is the roll covering equipment, where we will extrude rubber like this onto the roll, new or used, and it'll go into a heat compression tank where heat and pressure will wrap that roll around with the rubber. We have various different rubbers from neoprene, EPDM, Hypalon, and silicone, and various more with different diameters for each roll to put on this station.
Probably one of our biggest strengths is our commitment to quality and doing our best not to let a bad product go out the door, and taking the extra time to fix mistakes and making sure that we're giving our customers a high quality roll.
Here's our roll regrinding area where new and used rolls come here to get refurbished and reground. We have 6 different types of lathes that can handle lengths of up to 110 inches wide and up to 14-inch diameter. Each one of these lathes is specifically designed to do something new, including a helical groove, a composite groove, and we got different types of grinding wheels that would efficiently apply an engineered groove for your specific type of adhesive.
Black's is pretty fussy. We have a standard we try to live up to, and we try to stick to that standard. So, we do rolls anywhere from 4 inches long up to 127, 128 inches long, anywhere from a 1575 down to a little 3-inch roll. So we do some fine threads up 56. We do some 80 threads. We do a lot of smooth rolls.
We just don't do rubber rolls as well. We also do steel rolls, from chrome, nickel chrome, electroless, even stainless steel. This is where it does the final grind and metal work from new to used, from a doctor roll to even a coating roll or even laminating roll.
I mean, there's a whole lot going on over there. From, we have regular steel rolls, and then we can plate them with chrome, whether it's just chrome itself or have a nickel plating underneath. something that we offer, as well as electroless nickel. And then we do bigger rolls. I actually have one in there right now that's the big Teflon wrapped rolls. There's a 16-inch diameters, massive rolls, and that get a Teflon tape wrapped around them, as well as oil and heated rolls where they actually got the hot oil running through them. I handle all of that as well. You get the right people who are all on board on the same page, and you're going to make special things happen, whether it's building a machine or doing the parts to the machine. If everyone's trying to do their best, quality control all the way through, then you're going to get a great product at the end. And I think that's what the mindset needs to be and has to be and has been these past, and it's just got to carry on.